In this guide, we're going over how you can fix a Roku remote not working or pairing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work for really any Roku streaming stick and Roku TV, but begin by flipping over your remote and removing the batteries. From here, what you're going to want to do is just simply unplug your Roku device or Roku TV from the power source that it's plugged into. For about 30 to 60 seconds, it's going to be power cycling your Roku, and it's going to fix a lot of common issues. From here, after those 30 to 60 seconds, plug that device back in and wait until you're back on the Roku home screen. Once you're back on the home screen, put the batteries back into your remote, and you're going to sometimes have to repair that remote. Now, some Roku remotes are going to have a pairing button under the battery cover, so look for that. If yours has one, press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until the green light starts flashing. You should see a notification on your TV that the remote is pairing. If you don't have a button, however, go ahead and press and hold down on the home button and the back button on your remote at the exact same time for about 5 to 10 seconds. And wait till you see that little pairing button, appear on your screen again. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. That is how you could reset and repair your Roku remote. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.